The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great evening. Ready for a great day. Good morning, IMAG. Good to see you. Let's take a gander at the market, shall we? ES popped down, coming back up now. 36.25 the high, 13 the low. 23 points of range. Copper, only about 80 ticks of range. I might actually, yes. I mean, it is the same trading day. I traded last night on Asia session and made $210 in profit. So since it's all the same trading day, I start from there. Gold, about 13 points in range. Ultra Bond, about a point in range. Crude oil, about 165 ticks in range. And last but not least, natural gas bottoming out for about 70. No, that's a bad math. 80 ticks in range. Oh, wait, I'm still far away from passing. My balance in blue sky is 50,435. So I need another $2,565. We'll get there. Basically, what I made last night, I made is what I lost yesterday. I was down $202 yesterday, and made $210 last night. So it's like canceled each other out. I traded NQ last night because I think NQ moves better in the evenings than ES does. Yes, prop firms are losing their minds with this whole being able to skip the PA crap. I hate it. And I don't think you're going to see the quality prop firms go that direction. Just my opinion. Oh. ATR and ES just over 1. So we're looking for 2 points by 2. Yep, and I mean, you know, back in the day, it was just, the ones like you had Top Step, you had One Up, you had Earn to Trade. That they put your own real accounts. Now you have all these sim ones and stuff. And honestly, it was Lilu who started the craziness. You know, they did a $3 account like November of 2021, and that's where all the deep discounts started. And then things just started getting more and more crazy since. Good morning, Busy. How you doing? Whose website do I need to check out? Oop, popping down here. Oh, Lilu is just. I mean, Lilu's always been confusing to me. They have like 10,000 different types of accounts, and I don't know how I don't know how any newbie would navigate it, honestly. We popped through the 100 there. Technically, that was a trigger candle. I did not take it. Probably should have. We'll see if where it goes. Eventually, I plan on doing reviews of all these prop firms, and the fact that Lilu has too many options will actually be considered a negative for them. So watching here, need my binarial beats, or however you pronounce that. Let's get that going. It's here somewhere. There it is. Okay. So let's rock and rumble. So if everybody's noticed, I try to put out new content on the site that's not live content. This week I had the week in review up. I have about Apex's new contest for PA accounts. I'm working on a review for Blue Sky that should be out tomorrow. I am gonna try and take over this whole future space.
I appreciate that very much, Imad. I don't have the flashiest videos, I don't have a nice intro. I can't afford to pay someone to do a nice intro and stuff, but we'll get there. So it's kind of stalling. I mean, it would have been a nice short up here so far. It hasn't been much. It hasn't gone a lot. I'm gonna see if it continues to come down. This was my play, but so far it's just kind of hemming and hawing. So it was very slow. So that's why I was doing NQ because when it's very slow, NQ is better than ES in my opinion because you can just get quick. And I was taking 4 point profit targets. I hit 4 points, 1 tick, and then 3 points. But I was four for four. I'll say 3 for 3 because that one was basically break even. So that got me up to $210. Yep. So nope, popping back up here, and that's a long. That's a it's technically a trigger candle back up. Looking at here, ooh, look how NQ bounced off that 100 EMA. See, NQ actually looks better there to me than ES does. I'm gonna stay flat here. News this morning. I don't think we have much, but I think there's something today at least. Let's see. 8:30 Canadian trade balance and U.S. international trade. Good morning, Leonardo. How are you? And for those of you that will be trading after the stream today, big red flag. At noon, Powell speaks. How are you doing, Leonardo? I haven't seen Rod lately. Also, I'm now an affiliate of every major prop firm, with the exception of two. So if you ever want to sign up for any of the prop firms, all of them are listed on the Discord. Um, or if you don't know, not on the Discord, feel free to ask me for a referral, a ref link, an affiliate link. I The only two I'm not signed up for of the majors is Tick Tick Trader and Take Profit Trader. Leonardo, it was a slow day yesterday, and it was a hard day to trade. Almost everyone said they were red yesterday, so I didn't feel too bad. I mean, I really considered actually switching to NQ for today. This whole week doesn't have a lot of news to it. Now, next week we have CPI and PPI. Coming back down here. See, I mean, NQ. Oh, now it's moving. This might still end up. This is still the original short that I would have entered here. It gave me a chance to re-enter it, and I still didn't enter it, and I should have because of an idiot. Ooh, wow. Well, that moved down point and a half. I don't think there was any news on that pop. Good morning, JC. How are you doing on this wonderful Tuesday? We're having it all in around 41.26. Let's see. Kappa has been having around. Dow dropping. Ultraviolet, looks like it's waking up a little bit. Bitcoin back above 23,000. I'm doing pretty good, JC. Thank you. Ready to add to this balance. So yesterday, as you know, I usually chart out the entire day, and so after I got done streaming yesterday, turns out it would have been a much better time to trade after the stream. So it's turn back time. Turn back time. This blue line here was the end of the stream. I know they're hard to see. Can you see all these purple lines after the stream? Those would have all been winning setups from the time the stream ended to the end of the day. 31 different winning setups. 31. That would have gone anywhere, depending on ATR, go for 2 points or 3 points. These would have all been winning setups. I get kind of frustrated when I charted out and saw that. Meanwhile, we're still sine waving here. Good morning, Mr. G. Happy Taco Tuesday to you as well. It's been a long time since I had a taco. Matt, good to see ya. How is Matt doing today? Well, that's a big old bearish engulfing. Still, as you're seeing us struggle to get down below this 2120, 4125. Wasn't that a big area yesterday too, 4125? Uh, either chicken or beef, Mr. G. Hey, I'm a buy low and sell high. Oh, the trade for a while had the hard exit at 445 due to account size. Oh, for the market hit all my targets. Oh, that really sucks, man. That hurts. So this has given me 3 different entries for this short, and I haven't taken any of them, mainly because I see it struggling to get below this each time. So we'll see if I was right or wrong. I was wrong. See, if I would have taken that first short, that would have worked. Second short would have worked. Third short hasn't worked yet, but it's almost there. So, missed opportunity, but that's okay. But it did earn its purple. Anyway, I'm a buy low. There'll be another opportunity for you, I'm sure. Yep. Oh, JC, sorry, I totally missed that you said you were in a trade. Oh, green. Is that your first trade of the day, JC, or have you been trading before the stream started? I was surprised when you said you didn't take any trades yesterday. That was like very unusual. Nice, JC. Nice, nice, nice. Expect to enjoy today's stream. I'd appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Someone downvoted my Apex video that I put out yesterday about the new contest. That's only sitting at 87.5% likes right now. That bugs me. I hate it when it's below 90%. Bot and I are fighting. Right now, I'm just gonna. Although the bot's having a really good day today, but right now it's like stagnant. I need to do more minute testing to it. We found that I've been just running it 24/5, and we found that it usually works better just to run it in Asia or Europe at times, and I haven't been doing that. But there's several tests today that are up over $1,000. We're popping back up here. What we had been finding, and none of us have really been doing extensive testing lately, and we need to do that again. But I just been trying to get my manual trading down, so I've been working on charting and all that. But we were finding that Asia was actually best. Asia and like the first part of Europe, and then it would give everything back in if you let it run and give it back in New York, oftentimes. So it seems like yeah, Asia and Europe seems best. That I mean that's why I have like 20 tests running. I have multiple profit targets and stops. Mostly I have NQ running, so for NQ usually it's a big target, big stop, like 20 to 30 points on the target. Hello, freighter. But I have a couple tests that actually are designed to only basically do one a day, one trade a day. There, it's like a 600 point target on NQ. So it's huge. I think that's like no 600 tick. I'm sorry, 600 tick. 600 point would be stupid. 600 tick target. So that's what 150 points on NQ. Good morning, Deb. Good to see you. How you been doing? We're popping up here. And right back down. I'm glad to hear that. Oh, that 30-second chart. Kind of just hanging out here. Minute and a half at the top of the hour. See if we get any increased volatility. I've really been thinking of starting to trade NQ for this first hour of the morning. NQ worked well last night when it was slow. Taking a long here might be a stupid right before the top of the hour. Hey, Jessica. Good to see you as well. Yeah, it's what I used to, and then I went to ES because of being less crazy. I still like NQ. It's my friend. It was my friend, but I've been trying to use the ES being a bit more stable. So I think it's gonna hurt me here. Should have stayed out of this trade, I think. Or stop up a little bit. Hey, Dakota. Staying above the 100 and the 20 right now. Move the stop up so it's a 6-tick stop right now. But it looks like it's gonna bite me. It bit me, and ouch. It spiked down, so 6 ticks. So that's the first loss of the day. No biggie. I may stop trading New York. I don't know. This is New York and me have not been getting along, or at least these morning hours have not been getting along. So down to 150 minus 24 is 121. No, 5 trades is $20. So 130. There we go. Let me see. NQ here. Ooh. That's a nice little bearish engulfing there. I don't know. See, NQ, look at the interesting. So NQ, the 100 is underneath the price action. ES, it's over the price action. NQ here, my trigger would have been here. That one. Or that one. I could have got 6 points out of that. Whereas ES, my trigger was here and E. And see, we're just sine waving around both of these, and this is giving me more of a clear picture. I don't know. We'll see. It was a bad entry nonetheless. Bouncing again on the 100 on NQ. I mean, I like ES, but it seems like when it's slow, it's very hard to scalp ES for like more than a point. And I mean, $50 is okay, but you know, like last night during my stream last night, I was scalping NQ for like 4 points, and that's $80. At $80 a shot, that's not horrible if you can get three or four of them. I mean, if we look at NQ real quick while nothing's going on, overnight, you know, right here's where Europe started. Can you tell? Nice bullish and I mean bearish engulfing down. I mean, great to ride down, up, down, and then back up. Failure. Then this one would have maybe faked me out there. And moving up. This nice move up. I don't know. I'll chart it out later. Not that I plan on going to Europe anyway. I wouldn't mind going to Europe, but I mean, right now we're just. I mean, this one right here. This would have been a good entry for only 6 points, but 6 points is let's say 5 points after slippage and whatnot. Nice bounce off the 100 there. Could have got in on one of these green candles. Just something to keep in mind. Ultra Bond looks like it hit snooze, but it hit the snooze button. I thought it was waking up here, but it hit the snooze button to its market opens. I thank everyone for joining me today. Always feel free to join in the chat. Questions, comments, always welcome. And see, we're popping up here, and it's just like we're in a range. Home on the range, home sweet home. And it's trying to break that range now. This has been the top of this range at 41.28. And the bottom's been 41.24, so it's only a 4 point range here. So it's almost like I should be scalping for 1 point right now. Which is, a possibly a valid strategy. Going to two contracts, scalping for 1 point. But I don't ever feel comfortable having a 1 point stop, and I don't want to have less than a 1-to-1 R. What's the tick value on sardines? No, I'm kidding. No, I've never read it. Ban the spammer from the MightyOxTrading Discord. It's always fun and exciting. We do have some news coming up in about 20 minutes. Those Canadians giving their trade balance and also U.S. international trade. Oh, dropping like it's hot again. And again, this is another trigger. But how do I trust these? Well, I mean, I'm going to start scalping for a point. This choppy action. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Back at this 41.24 area. Huh. My tweet didn't fire on Twitter today. What the heck? Oh, that's why. Oops. You shouldn't send it for 6:20 p.m. Copy. Uh, you cancel it? Let's 7:14 a.m. Okay, there we go. Schedule. It did finally break the range. So now I'm going to need a new range. Those are expensive too. Or if we can get a washer and dryer as well. Good morning, Trade Together. How you doing? You arrived just in time for me to give a very bad joke. Someone needs to wake up the market. To market, to buy some ES. Good morning, Linux. Haven't seen you here in the morning in a while. How you doing? You just stay up all night, or? Agriculture overnight was rising, falling a little bit now. Oops, I forgot I still have my NinjaTrader chart up. Oopsie. Sorry about that. I'm doing pretty good. Trade together. It'd be nice to see some volatility. I sort of got that impression, Linux. That's how I used to be until I started streaming every day. No, I mean, it was before that, but I prefer night to day. Look at those wicks. Wiki, wiki, wiki. So we're still in that range. We didn't need to get a new range anyway. But the range got a little bit bigger by a couple ticks. But I could have played those bouncing off that 100 there. But I'm not liking any of this action. We'll watch the Ultra Bond. Oh, the Ultra Bond's woken up. Someone woke it up. Look at that move down. Dakota and JC were probably rocking Ultra Bond's bed. Get up! Oh, that was nasty. Look at that. Look at that wick. A lot of people here this morning already. A lot of likes this morning already. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope everyone's having a great day. As we head into the 8:30 news. Not huge news. That'll be next week with the CPI and the PPI. But no Magnum PI. I never really watched either version. But yeah, I'm a buy low. They've been ruining a lot of shows with new versions. Yep, right now this market really isn't. I mean, that's an ugly chart. Let's see what NQ looks like. Oh, and there is the opening, and for the Ultra Bond comes down a few ticks. Even NQ's kind of looking ugly now. It's kind of spiky today, though. We're seeing that we saw this whip back up here. This is whipping around. Wonder what's causing all the whipping. Whip it. Whip it good. Oh, burst down. Wow, where'd that come from? It's a 6-tick candle. 6-tick candle. Oh, more ticks. That's a 3-point candle. Guess this white line can go away. Wow. What just happened? NQ down 12 points. It's still falling. Is this low a day? No. Low a day. Put that in our memory banks. 41.13. See if there's some sort of weird news there. Oh, there's a Fed speaker speaking that wasn't on the calendar. Wage growth and services are still very strong. A recession is not in my forecast. Because of the overheated labor market, lowering inflation is more difficult. We may have to hold rates at a higher level for longer. So the Fed speaker's scaring the market. He was not on the schedule, at least not on Financial Juice's schedule. Uh, the Fed's cash carry. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing his name right. Yeah, I mean, usually Financial Juice lists everyone that's supposed to speak that day, and he was not showing on the schedule. Oh, he is talking about the debt ceiling. That's really scaring the market. He says, I don't know if a debt default is more likely this time. That's what's causing the market to fall. Him talking about the debt ceiling. So now we're 5 minutes till news. Wish he would have called me and told me he was going to talk about that stuff. I could have got in short. I believe that's called insider trading, though, but you know, hey. $41.19 is where it seemed to come down to. Nope, trying to push down lower. He's still flapping his gums. Yeah. Goody Morgan. Yeah, easy for me to say. Goody Morgan. Good morning, Crypticon. Good morning, John. Goody morning. I'm not sure why that tripped me up. As we see the market falling. 10 points in about 20 minutes here. Thanks to the Fed speaker. We have news in a few minutes. Cash carry or something like that. Kashkari. As many days as I want. There's no. I mean, I am still far away from the profit target. I'm not at target. So you need to trade at least 8 days. Today's day 7, but I'm not going to reach target by day 8. Hey, GED, how you doing? You're welcome, Leonardo. Looks like we bottomed around 41.19 here. Waiting to see where we go from here. I didn't trust this bearish engulfing. It was huge into the bands. Obviously, I could have got something out of it, but. Coda's looking for a short. See that? Oh, okay. See that? Pushing up a little bit. Nice bullish engulfing. Good morning, Zabak. Sorry for the yawn. Kind of escaped before I could mute. Yep, we have news in 45 seconds. That would be the Canadian trade balance. How many moose pelts are they short or above? And U.S. international trade. I'm looking to find a countdown timer I can show on stream that will count down till news events. Popping up here right before the news. Bam. Well, that really just knocked our socks off now, didn't it? Absolutely nothing so far. Let's look at the numbers. Canadian trade balance negative 0.16 billion. They expected negative 0.5 billion, so that was a beat. U.S. international trade negative 67.4 billion. They expected negative 68.5 billion, so that was a beat. But I don't think trade balance ever really moves things. So that was basically a non-starter. Pushing back down now. Go to short 29. Look for 21 on UB, which would be where this low hit earlier, about 5-6 minutes ago. Still a good trade. I mean, 2 ticks on UB is $62, so ain't nothing wrong with that. Wow, that candle became a stick man, but coming back down. I'm nasal today. Yeah, pushing back down. Yeah, see, there's Ultra Bonds also trying to push back down. Big move down there on NQ as well. Down to 41.17 here in ES. I had thought about taking this short off of that candle right there, and obviously I should have. Good morning, RJ. How's it going, buddy? Dakota, go back in on a tray, looking for a scalp on the Ultra Bond. Ultra bond. Oh, what the heck did I just do? I didn't know you could do that. Get in there. So we got 55 minutes till the bell. Let's see if there's any excitement. For now, our excitement is watching Dakota's trade. He's 2 ticks from target. He's 1 tick from target. Not sure how far away from Walmart or Kohl's, but 2 ticks from target. Another bad joke there, guys. Sorry. Sounds like the headlines all talk about this Powell speech. I'm noticing the headlines. So it sounds like this is going to be a market moving speech. I don't know. Still sitting at 140.21 on the Ultra Bond. It is playing you. Don't hate the play, I hate the game. 1 tick from target again. There it goes. A touch to see if Dakota got filled. A quick touch, it seemed like. Ouch. Yeah, I saw it was real quick, so that's what I was wondering. I had a feeling. Well, and there's your target. Ouch. Really did play with you there, Dakota. Okay, you got your target. Okay, I got you. I thought you meant you were stop +1. I got you. Ooh, another push down here in ES. Not giving me any candles that I want to take a trade off of, though. Yeah, very nice job, Dakota. I think the Fed speaker shut up now. Well, now we wait for the next opportunity. My last, like I said, I thought about taking that there, and I thought about. I mean, I did not think about taking that there because it was into the bands, but oh, it's kind of hanging. Waiting, 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 waiting for an opportunity. About 45 minutes to the bell. Right now, I'm kind of bored. Somebody entertain me. I know, I know. I'm supposed to be entertaining you. Another push down. ATR's up to 1.48. Started getting a little bit more volatility. But I wonder if we're going to be like choppy all day because of Powell speaking at noon. I think JC said he gets up at 4 a.m. Central Time. Looking for the market to come up at this point. We'll see. Or a 5 minute. Pushing down again. We're pushing down again. Just can't wait to be pushing down again. Some of the stuff I say makes no sense. Still trying to push down 41.16. Low a day 41.13, I think I said. Yeah, 41.13. We're at 41.16 half. Good morning, Ace. Trash out at the curb, Dakota. Oh, no, Ace. Sorry, not Dakota. Ace. Yeah. And there we got a bullish and go. Well, trying. Hang in here, 41.16. About 11 minutes away from the top of the hour when the energies market's open. We'll see what crude does then. See, ES struggling to get through 41.16 here, and Q struggling to get below 12.517-ish. Push, push, push down. Push it down, push it down. That was a bearish engulfing. Somehow I totally missed that. Not sure how I missed that. Would have given 6 ticks. I'll take 6 ticks. Unless they were on a dog. Trying to push down toward that low. 41.13 is the low. We just hit 41.15. Hello, can it go? Hey, Avi. Good morning to you. Ticking along here. See if I'm wrong. Now I should have taken it, took it 3 ticks ago, so I might have messed up. Yep, I messed up. Still coming down. Tried to anticipate the reversal there. I don't know why I do that. It's not in my play, but hey, wait a minute. Here it comes. Ooh, that quickly we're up to the 20 EMA. Ah, bounced off that 20. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Bounced off. Stopped out. Okay, so that was a good trade on my part. Giving back today, giving back. Gotta give something to the market. Couldn't concentrate there. Tells me about it. She can't do anything about it anyway. So fuck. There we go. I had a good Asia stream last night. Giving back this morning. should have got out as soon as it touched. That was actually a trigger for me to go back down. For some reason my EMA on my NinjaTrader chart's off. That kind of threw me off. I got to figure out what that is about. It was a stupid play on my part. It's not. It was not in my trading plan to take a trade like that. And if I wouldn't have hesitated, because it's not in my trading plan, and got in a couple ticks early, I would have just taken like 4 ticks. But I wasn't happy with 2 ticks when it was 2 ticks in profit. And here, I mean, I was right. You can see it coming back up. But, okay. Yep, there. I was just early. Or I should have given it more room to work. Stopped at 41.15 quarter. What did it come down to? If I had kept my original stop in place, I would not have gotten stopped out. I would still be in this trade, and I would be in profit by a point. Ooh, I need to figure out what the heck's going on there. Huh. For some reason, on my NinjaTrader chart, my EMA was set to 40 instead of 20. I'm not sure why. Oh, I know why. I know why. Because I had it on a 30-second chart. That's why. We're just kind of sitting here. Just a few seconds, about 30 seconds to the top of the hour. We'll go check out crude. See if it's being crude. Well, there's a nice rise up there on crude for the last half hour or so. 20 minutes, I guess. About 50 ticks up. Big move down there on crude as its market opens. Pushing down. Yes. ES is an up and down. Folks, Blue Sky, the associate sponsor on the stream. Check out their evals. They're a good company. I should be having a review come out tomorrow. I got most of this work done on it. I just got to do the voice work and stuff. ES pushing down. Whoa, Nelly. Down to 41.14 half. That was a trigger candle too. Crude popping back up. We're just going to focus back on ES now. Ooh, look at that nice pop back up on crude there, though. But let's look at this. This would have been a trigger candle back down that I probably should have taken. We'll see. Boom. 2-point stop. Just way up there. 2-point target would have hit. So that earned its purple. Just got to take them no matter what. I just got to take them, Jackie. That's a bearish engulfing. I have a very eclectic taste in music. But let's go with Florida Georgia Line, May We All. And obviously that uh, bearish engulfing there, not really doing much. There's a bullish engulfing. We're just stagnant here. Around 41.16. Did not break the low. We did get close. Low a day. Down here in the spike down and immediately came back up around Europe Open. Shouldn't say immediately. It's an hourly candle, but still. But we're close. You don't like that, Freighter? Then we'll go with Taylor Swift, Shake It Off. Another bearish engulfing. It's trying to push down, struggling to get through that 41.14 half. I also have a motivational playlist that has like 100 songs on it. Holy Moses. Now we have a new daily low, 41.12 half. Should have taken that bearish engulfing. Someone should smack me stupid. Take the bearish engulfings. They work. They work. They work. They work. They work. Oops. Yesterday's lows were 41.04. We're getting close, about 10 points away. Bouncing here. Another bearish engulfing is the this I always struggle to try and go short when we're so far short, or the other, even long when we're so overextended. You're very welcome, Freighter. Now we're struggling to get down anywhere, below this 41.12. It's kind of bopped it 3 times now. Nice, Dakota. We're kind of barcoding right now. Sideways. Sideways down a one-way street. And back down. Oh, Mr. G, haven't heard from you in about an hour. All right, G, we'll definitely keep that in mind. Nice job, Dakota. Great work. Be a busy man. I have not heard from G-Man now in about 2 weeks. He's still on the Discord server, so I don't know what's up. G-Man seems to get a little hurt if people don't take his advice and his thoughts on trading. But he'll come back. Struggling to get below this level here, 41.12. As I say that, it touched it again. No, G-Man's from Northern California. Uh, if anyone wants to check out Mr. G's YouTube channel, Winning Wall Street's Money, here's that link. Mr. G's in Florida. I'm not sure if he's originally from Boston, though. We're having it hauling in this area with 15 minutes to go until the bell. uh, is there anybody here from Boston? RJ seems pretty desperate to find someone from Boston. I'm not sure if he's traveling there, needs a room, or. I've been, let's see, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Maryland. Virginia, and North Carolina. By my count, I've been to 10 states. I believe that's right. But some of those are just kind of driving through. I've been to New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Ohio, Indiana, moving down here on ES, Illinois, Missouri, Maryland, just driving through, Virginia, and North Carolina. Good morning, Robin. Never been out of the country. Oh, technically, I was in West Virginia for a couple minutes when I was taking a Greyhound from Illinois to Pennsylvania. So, I mean, if you want to count that, I was in West Virginia for like 12, 15 minutes. Nope, never been out of the country. Never been to Canada. Never been to Mexico. Don't even have a passport. Wow. Back to the future here, JC. Well, there you go. It's close to Boston there, RJ. Good morning, Speed Racer. Yes, I've eaten Canadian bacon and maple syrup. Bullish and golfing up. I've never been on a plane. Never been on a train. Popping up here. Should have taken that bullish and golfing. We are 10 minutes from the bell. Morning, Michael V. Bouncing off the uh, EMA here. Moving on down. Looks like we're the bell coming up about 8 minutes. We're still hanging this 4112 area. Bopping back up. Ooh. Just blasted my eardrums out by accidentally hitting my volume button. I was in New York City once when I was like 5. What the heck is Backpack Trader? I'll have to let Josh know that even though you're not using my link, Crypticon, you're with Blue Sky thanks to me. So he knows that this is a successful partnership with your two accounts. It's been 4 sales so far for Blue Sky. The blue, Burl, and good morning to you as well. The blue are bullish engulfing candles. The yellow are bearish engulfing candles. And I think you know the regular red and green. Good morning, John. Well, that sounds like fun, JC. You don't know what engulfing candles are, Burl? Really? See this blue candle here. Let me move this so it's clear. Totally engulfs the prior candle, often indicating a move in that direction. So it's completely above. It's either matches or is below the previous low, and it's above the high of the body of that last candle. Same here. This bearish engulfing matches the top of the body of the previous green candle, and it's below the bottom of that green candle. So it's engulfing that candle, indicating a selling pressure coming in and moving downward. That's what an engulfing candle is. They're a good way to get in on trends that are going that may not touch. Like here, this would have been a good, nice little entry. This would have been a good entry. I could never figure out, how to enter on trends that were already trending. The trend's your friend, but if you missed the beginning, how do you get in? Like that one right there was a good entry for the move downs, etc. I don't think so. That's I I could put an alert on it, but you wouldn't hear it because I don't have sounds on the. You don't hear my computer sounds. We are 2.5 minutes till the bell. There's a bearish engulfing. Back down. Oh boy. But we are just a minute and 30. Thank you, Crypticon. By the way, I did find out, Crypticon, you can add the bearish and bullish engulfing candles to NinjaTrader. It's kind of annoying, but you can do it. 45 seconds to the bell. I Googled. 'Big push down here right before the open. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. There's the bell. I could see that, JC. I think it's it's better as part of a trading plan and not the whole thing. But I mean, I could see possibly that work somewhat working. But how did it work for you? Popping up here a little bit after that move down, it double bottomed there at 41.10 from an earlier candle. 41.10 half. Ooh, it's getting beaten down, beaten down, beaten down, beat down. Beat it down. I had to beat him down. Strong move down here after that big wick up first. Up, there we go, right back up. We're going to be choppy this morning. Yeah. Big candles like the big hourly candles, for a 4 hour, whatever. It takes a lot of big stops to play off of those. Moving down. Thought about taking that short there, and it would have worked. Our ATR is still under 2. I expect that to increase here. I don't have it on there. You can see, 1 hour chart. That was an engulfing, but that totally didn't work. Going down there, those worked, but wouldn't want. I don't think I'll want to do it on a higher time frame. Big push there. This is a trigger candle up. Let's say strong candle up. Up, there it goes back down. Getting kicked around. Let's try it again. Our subscriber count went up, so welcome to whoever the new subscriber is. Feel free to say hello in chat. Introduce yourself if you feel comfortable. Hey, someone hit the dislike button today. First time in a while. Trying again. So trying to go up and just failing each time. All those big topping tails. And here it comes down again. Here we come down again. Really not moving much. Remember, Powell speaks later today. Noon Eastern is what's on the calendar. Somewhere around that time. Be wary of that. All these big wicks still showing selling pressure, but we're still not moving down much. This was our low, 4108. $41.07 is now at the low. Just chop it, chop it, chop it. Chop this city, USA. Big positive candle there. Technically a trigger. And boom, that would have worked. Wow, don't know why I'm yawning so much today. Backed up to 41.14 after hitting that low of 41.07, so we've popped up 7 or 8 points here. See how that engulfing candle worked? That was a huge engulfing candle, so that would have made me pause. It did make me pause, but this one here also would have worked. Good morning, Glitch. A fit of the yawns all of a sudden. Excuse me while I take a quick 5-minute nap. Kidding. I only do that on the evening streams. Bounced off that 100. See if it breaks through this 20. Oh, 20 bounce. What's your 20? We're bouncing. Oh, darn it. Oh, quick. Back down, breaking the 20. Nope, back up. Can't decide. It can't decide which way it wants to ride. Buyers seem to keep coming in every time it dips below. Taking the long. Up to 41.15. Target's 40. Oh, target hit. There we go. There we go. Entry 41.15 out at 41.16. Continues to rise up. Hits that 100, bounces down, but that was a $100 winner right there. Thank you, JC. Glitch. Back on the winning side there. Well, back up to 147 on the day. Bounced off that 100 again. I think that trade lasted like 5 seconds. Let me take a look. Nope, I was wrong. It lasted 12 seconds. 12-second trade there for 2 points. 12 seconds for $100. That's a pretty good hourly rate, I think. That's $30,000 an hour. Probably still not NBA or MLB money, but close. Of course, in MLB, you don't lose money if you strike out, but you should. That'd be something. So I was 3 for 3 last night, 1 for 3 so far today. So overall, 4 for 6. Back down to the 20 here. There's actually a trigger candle. Not quite. Trying to pop back up. Technically, another trigger candle for me here, but I'm not going to double dip on this. That 100 keeps getting bounced off of. We'll see if I should. See if that goes 2 points. Our ATR is up to 2.76. When that gets above 3, I start looking for 3 points instead of 2. Bearish engulfing trigger back down. That one I should have taken. I took my eye off the ball there for a second. Let's see what that does. Did not go 2 points yet. Yep, this would not have worked. Well, I mean, wouldn't have stopped out yet. So that bearish engulfing would have that would have stopped me out there. Would not have worked. So that one earns a blue. I'll have a blue trigger. Trying to come back up. Now these plays to the upside were under, still under that 100 EMA, but we've kind of established a short-term uptrend, even if we are below the 100 EMA. That's a strong candle up. Again, does it break through the 100 though? Barely. Nope, doesn't hold. Trying. Honestly, expect a little bit of a pullback first here. Look for an up, down, up move here on this. Or maybe it'll just be an up move. Yep, just an up move so far, so no. I could have taken that. We'll see if it goes to, it's gone 1.5 so far. I could be nailing $75 if I was go for 1.5 constantly here. Still is not going to when 7 ticks. Now it's pulling back. Another bounce up. Big wick down. I didn't react fast enough. I like that setup. That 100 is making me pause. It has not failed to establish itself. I think this, will this be the time? Again, it touches it. Tickled it even. But rejects off of it again. That 100 is just smacking away its advances. Indecisive here. 5 minutes till the top of the hour. Nice, RJ. And not take this short here just because it doesn't seem to be decisive here. I'm still thinking more long than short, but not. The fact that it keeps trying for that 100 and failing, I just don't know which way it wants to go. Which way does it go, George? Which way does it go? Gonna make another run for the border here. And by border, I mean 100 EMA. Touched it again. Here it comes up again. Nope. Trying. See how many times this is rejected off the 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, my name's not Choppy, but good morning, Sid. Here it comes again. So on the other side of that, you can see here how it has not been able to break down here. It's come out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight candles in this area. So we're really in like about a 5-point range. And it feels home on the range. MightyOx. Huh. Bet you that'll be a good name. I should register that as a domain. And Q just as choppy. Ultra Bond taken off. Remember, we have Powell speaking after stream today. I've seen different times scheduled. Financial Juice says noon Eastern. I've seen also 12:40, so I'm not sure exact time. There's a move down. Can it break through? Again, it cannot. Oh, it's trying again. Trying again. There it goes. Boom. Boom shakalaka. I mean, that candle's not that huge though. It's only two and a quarter. And it's retreating again. This is an ugly chart right now. Yeah, yeah, that's what I have on Financial Juice as well. Yeah, if Powell had any type of sense of humor, he would do something like he would come on and say, "We're raising interest rates to 10%," just to watch that 1 minute candle just absolutely bottom, and then say, "I was just kidding." Chopping Uh, well, I definitely ain't stripping. Nope, now we double bottomed with this candle here. uh, oh, hello, CBR. There's a Dr. Seuss book out called Fox and Socks. Right back up. Head down. Up and right back down. Ooh, big move down. And big move right back up. Coming right back, trying to come right back down. Selling pressure coming in. but not sustaining. It's coming up to kiss the 20 EMA again. Tried to tell it no public displays of affection, but didn't listen. There's a strong move up. It's going to touch that 100 again. It shies away from it once more. Once bitten, twice shy. Oop. That 100 EMA is kryptonite right now. Trying again. Sniffed it. Ooh, there. Punched it. Gets punched back again. Kind of amazing. It just does not want to get through there. Someone reinforced that 100 EMA with Gorilla Glue or something. Heading back down. What an ugly trading day here. We're up 147. We started the day up 210 from last night, though, so we pulled back some, but at this point, I'm ready to say $147 is good. I like NQ's chart a little bit better. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now it's a bearish engulfing back down. Technically a trigger candle, but I can't trust any of this right now, I don't think. I have trust issues. Pushing down. Boom. There we go. Finally found direction, maybe. $41.07 again. Weren't we there earlier? Yeah, right there. Maybe not found direction. Maybe double bottoming. Just sitting here. Excuse me 1 second. So there's a bear, another bearish engulfing. Street fight in the mud with knives. There's another bearish engulfing. Yeah, I'm just not feeling it, guys. I'm just not feeling it. This would have worked, obviously. That earned its purple. We'll see. Let's see here. ATR still under 3. Boom. I went 2. 41.06 half new low. We'll just start calling RJ Kenny Rogers, the gambler. No, kidding. I am kidding. So you can see how this 100 kept sloping down, and that's the way we finally went. But that was ugliness. Ugliness, and we're still not really out of that ugliness. We're just a little bit lower. It's kind of one more floor down. And popping back up to 41.10. Push, another one down. Now having trouble breaking through this area. Just not happy with anything. I mean, yeah, it's sending me bullish. I mean, bearish engulfings here. I could have got 2 points quick out of that last one. This one's actually a better looking one than the last one, though. But I've probably already missed it. It's going to tick. I guess I didn't miss it. See, I'm hesitating because I'm seeing how it's just not wanting to break through. And up, see, popping right back up. So now instead of doing, it's now doing this down here. Let's look at other things right now. Gold. Oh, the 5-minute chart looks nice. Gold looks gold on a downward move. Ultravond made that nice up move. Now it's kind of sideways. Copper. So copper, the metals are falling. The metals are falling. The metals are falling. That was a nice rise on natural gas. So Ultravond made that new daily low. Natural gas made a huge new daily high. Copper's made a new daily low. Breaks to the upside. Trying to push up here. Rejecting back off. It's an upside move. Oh, there's a move. Gonna try and sniff. Spy calls. Probably shouldn't answer that call. Every time I get calls from spies, it's bad news. Hey, they're not using a balloon, are they? Pushing down. I think it's hard to see natural gas. You can smell it usually, but you usually can't see it. It's colorless, odorless, tasteless. Oh, yes. Natural gas is taking off today. Big boom. From has a about 140 tick range. Beautiful move up there. Waiting for Burl to smack me for the natural gas jokes. Nice glitch. Push up here, you see, tried to push down. Buyers immediately smacked it back up. Bullish engulfing. That 100 lumens large at 41.14 has not been able to break that 100. Going long. Oh, I was in profit for a second, and then it just smacked it back down. Touched that 100 again. Wow. So I should have listened to myself. Yep. Should have put the profit target right on the 100 EMA. See if it comes back up for me. Now he's usually only on those evening streams, Sid. I think. I'm getting beaten down here. I'm out. Took the $100 loss. Now watch it come right back up. Still up 43. This comes right back up. I'm going to be mad, but. Yeah, JC. Ah, man, I jumped out and look at this coming back up. My entry point was. Ah, well, it got back up to my entry. I could have got out break even. Pushing back down now, so, I mean, if it wouldn't have got out break even, it was good I got out where I did. Yeah, RJ, we had a guy on last night. He claims he's 22 years old in real estate, making $200,000 a year. Made $38,000 last year trading. He says anybody that uh, doesn't uh, make profit in trading after 5 years should just quit and go to something else. I didn't even know Mexico had a stock index, Mr. G. Yeah, Kasan, that's him. So back down, and this would have been a trigger down, and I didn't take it. I was too busy in that long that I should have never took. Oh, I almost muted the guy last night, but this people voted not to. He's so full of himself. Claims he bought both of his parents' cars last for Christmas. So that was a perfect short, but because I was concentrated on the long, that was me screwing up. That long wick down there, both of these would have been a great short. Stupid move on my part. I keep giving back, Burl, but I'm still up $43. But I started the day from last night up 210, so I've given back about 160. Yeah, this choppiness sucks. You could thank Jerome Powell for this. Oh, man. Now we're trying for the upside again. I like that long wick down, but eh. Popping up and down. No direction. There's a trigger back down theoretically. Stronger candle, 2 points, actually 2 1/4. So it was a trigger candle, but it was half wick, half body. And you can see right back up. Go down on the mountain. It's rangy, 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 ugly, ugly, ugly. Oh, Ultra Bond's still heading up. Ultra Bond would have been good plays based on my strategy. We had along there. One Got one there. Okay, we got 7 to 10 ticks out of 2 different entries. ES coming back down. Again, a big wick, smaller body. Maybe a move down, no, or maybe not. Been a hard market to commentate. Be like two football teams constantly throwing laterals, and they keep intercepting each of the laterals, and the play just keeps going on for like minutes. So they all die on the field of exhaustion. Speaking of that, guys, who do you think's going to win the Super Bowl, and why is it the Eagles? Now we're going to rise up. Yeah, I've been thinking about. I mean, I've been wanting to chart out the Ultra Bond. I might do that this weekend. Spend some time. I need to find. The thing about my strategy is it seems to work on any asset. It's just finding the right stop and target. Big move here, 2.5 points. Look at it touch the 100 again. That 100 does not want to be touched today. It does not like being touched today. It smacks everything back. Yep, 47. Yeah, 4107 has been a good area for buyers. There's a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that EMA 20. I'm so sorry. Still could not hold above that EMA. About 20 minutes to go in the stream. Sniffing that EMA again. Getting a good whiff. Backs away. Perhaps it hasn't washed lately. Comes back through. There we go. Oh, right back down. Trying again. Again. Just can't stay above that 100. There we go. Possibly. I like that up, down, up type move. 30 seconds on this candle. Nope. Can't hold it. Yep, I bet you we are. There's some people racking up major commissions today. My guess is the market smooths out after Powell speaks. That said, I'm going long. And it's going to bite me. Come on, I thought you were finally above that 100 there and going to stay. Come on. Nope. My stop's sitting right on the 20 EMA. Come on, you know you want to go to 120. Well, I should have waited for more confirmation and it wouldn't stay above that 100. Stopped out. And now my entire profit from last night's gone. And we are down $61 on the day. You don't have to trade Pal Glitch. You can wait till tomorrow. So another rejection off the 100. I thought it broke there. I honestly did. And I was wrong. There's another bounce. Yeah, right back up and then right back down. Just frustrating. I thought I should have just not traded today. Going nowhere on this account. Back down to only being up 165 total on the account. I thought coming into this week that I had this figured out. And again, I was right. Just maybe too tight of a stop. Bit me and came back because, let's see, I was in at 41.13. I should have waited for the second break, maybe. I don't know. 41.13, dropped down to 41.10. Now got back up to 41.14. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really feel compelled to take the trade there, RJ, because of the stream. I honestly thought after this break right here, I really, I don't know why. And in a way, I was kind of right. It is now established itself above the 100. Not far above, but a little bit above. RJ, did you just threaten to strangle Pal? uh, Hi, Victor. Welcome. How you doing today? Back down. uh, yep. Where's your entry point, Victor? UB's been a nice ride up. Here's another. This is another entry point. Um, if I've been trading UB right there. So UB would have given me 3 times 7 ticks today. That would have been nice. UB, nice trend day on UV right now. Not the chop we're seeing on the other stuff. What's your target? How many ticks are you looking for, Victor? All right, good luck on that. See where it goes. We have about 10 minutes left on the stream there. See, I was right about that trade. There's goes for 41.15. So I was right about that entry. It just wicked me out. Took me out and then went. Doesn't help my P&L any, but it makes me feel better that I wasn't 100% wrong. I could have got back in on that next bullish engulfing candle, and I would have been able to stay in. It would not have stopped me out with 2 points and would have given me a target. So I just ended on the wrong candle. I entered on this one. It came down, stopped me out, then went. If I'd been using a 3-point stop, I would not have gotten stopped out, and yeah, I would not have gotten 3 points yet, but it would have been close. Oh, wait, maybe I would have. No, not yet. But it'll be close. We'll see. Yep, there it goes. So if I've been using a 3 instead of a 2, this would have worked. But the ATR fell under 3, so I moved it to 2. Ooh, pull back there to Victor's entry point. That's just a quick little dip. Got the 41.16. Pulling back, so would have got exactly top tick me and then pulled down. And back down to the 20. Back down to the EMA. So we're going to end up with another red day. So after having 4 out of 5 green days last week, got 2 straight red days here this week. Maybe I'll never get it. Maybe, maybe, maybe. So that last big move up, now it's giving it all back. Back down to 12. Sorry, totally forgot about Victor's trade. Victor is going for 8 ticks, so 18 plus 8, 26. It's gotten up to 23 a couple. It got up to 25. It got within 1 tick of his target. We're sitting at 24. Oh yeah. Wow, RJ's pulling out the big words like equidistant. So he got up to 41.16, fell to 41.09. That was a trigger candle there, but I'm not trusting anything anymore today. I let profit evaporate. Wow, that's frustrated. Came into this week feeling really, really good. Best I ever felt. I should say best. Best I felt out trading in months. Obviously, an easy 2 points there. Popping back up. Oh yeah, I miss a good Philly cheesesteak. Gee, isn't there places around Clearwater, Florida, that you can get some good Philly cheesesteaks though? Because I know that's where the Phillies have their spring training and stuff, and I know there was a lot of Philly type businesses that have filled in around there. So it's coming back up to the 20 EMA and gonna pull down. So that's what we're gonna call it a day. Another red day. Remember, folks. Pal speaks in like an hour, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Pal speaks in an hour. So if you're gonna keep trading, be careful of that. My UB chart. Yeah. There you go, Victor. It's ran up against that 141.25, 6 different candles. Might want to just make your profit target 1 tick less. It might be a little late. Ouch. So anyway, that's where we're gonna wrap it up for the day. Do want to thank everyone for joining me. I'll be back here tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. Eastern time. See if we can conjure up another red day. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.